Hello learners, welcome to Dear SP Ma'am. Today I am going to discuss the NCERT question answer solution of Glimpses of the Past, and as we know, which is taken from our freedom movement by SD Sawant. So students, let's get started. Class 8, Chapter 3, Glimpses of the Past. And the first question is here, do you think the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the events of 1757? And the answer is yes. The Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach. They fought against each other with the help of the British. Thus the British became the rulers. Here's the second question. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. We must educate our brothers. And the answer will be, the first man said that they must educate their brothers. Second man said, and try to improve their material conditions. And the answer is, the second man added that they must try to improve their material conditions. The third man says, for what we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. And the third answer is, the third man suggested that they must convey their grievances to the British Parliament. Moving forward to the next page. And the second set of direct to indirect speeches are soldier. The soldier says the white soldier gets huge pay, mansions and servants. And the answer is, the first soldier said that the white soldier got huge pay, mansions and servants. Second soldier said, we get a pittance and slow promotions. And the answer is, the second soldier remarked that they got a pittance and slow promotions. Third soldier says, who are the British to abolish our customs? And the answer is, the third soldier asked who the British were to abolish their customs. Question number 3. In picture 2, what do you understand by the company's superior weapons? And the answer is here, the East India Company conquered India by using their better quality weapons, the guns and diplomacy. Question number 4. How did the East India Company subdue the Indian princes? And the answer is, the Indian princes were constantly at war with each other. Thus, the East India Company subdued the Indian princes through their policy divide and rule. First, they extended support to the Indian kings and later took over their kingdoms. And here's the question number 5. Who is an artisan? Why do you think the artisan suffered? So the answer is, the artisan is a skilled worker who crafts decorative items. And the artisans suffered because Britishers started selling machine-made products and the goods that they produced lost demand in the market. Question number 6. Quote the words used by Ram Mohan Roy to say that every religion teaches the same principles. According to Ram Mohan Roy, cows are of different colors, but the color of the milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. Here's the question number 7. Which picture, according to you, reveals the first sparks of the fire of revolt? And the answer is, picture 7, the sparks, reveals the first sparks of the fire of revolt. Question number 8. In what ways did the British officers exploit Indians? The answer is, the British officers exploit Indians in many ways. They imposed heavy taxes even on poor farmers. They ruined Indian handcraft businesses by launching machine made products. Even they cut the thumbs of expert artisans. Now, question number 9, short type of question. Name these people. The ruler who fought pitched battles against the British and died fighting. And the answer is Kuwar Singh. Number 2, the person who wanted to reform the society. And the answer is Ram Mohan Roy. Number 3, the person who recommended the introduction of English education in India. And the answer is Macaulay. Number 4, two popular leaders who led the revolt. And the answer is Maulana Ahmedullah of Faizabad and Peshwa Nana Sahib. Question number 10. Mention the following. Two examples of social practices prevailing then. And the answer is untouchability and child marriage. Two oppressive policies of the British. And the answers are under Regulation 3, an Indian could be jailed without trial. Britishers allowed tax-free imports in India. Number 3, two ways in which common people suffered. The first one, they lost their old jobs and lands. And second, they were converted by the British. Number 4, four reasons for the discontent that led to the 1857 War of Independence. The reasons are: soldiers of Indian sepoys were less than white soldiers. Heavy tax on farmers. Brahmins revolted because Britishers were using cow fat and pig fat in bullets. Lands of the landlords were seized by Britishers. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, do share and subscribe. Have a good day.